In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can bring objects forward or backward in Microsoft Excel. So whenever you have multiple objects in Excel, like charts and in case an arrow, one thing to keep in mind is that objects are layered in the sense that some objects are in front of others. So as you can see in this example, I'm not seeing the arrow because the chart is in front of the arrow that is in this visual. To bring the arrow forward, I can right click on the arrow and then I click on bring to front to bring it to the frontmost layer, or I can hover over this and then have bring it forward, we'll just bring it forward one layer. Now one thing to note is that bring to front versus bring forward is important if you have multiple different items layered in your spreadsheet. Bring it forward one layer, bring to front, we'll have it bring it to the frontmost layer. You can do the similar thing if we don't want this arrow to show like it is showing right now. I can click send to back, which will send it to the backmost layer, or I can send backward, which is send it backward one layer, which is a helpful thing to keep in mind if you have multiple items layered in your spreadsheet, and you might want to have more flexibility and control over what is layered in front of each other. Like I just said, if you want to change the way things are layered for objects, right click on the objects you want to move and click on bring to front or send to back or bring forward or send to backward. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.